Hello, I'm Dr. Tanvi Davda, consultant urologist and robotic surgeon practicing in Mumbai. Urology is a vital branch of medicine dedicated to the diagnosis, treatment, and management of disorders of the urinary tract and male reproductive organs. As a urology doctor, my role encompasses a broad spectrum of responsibilities that are integral to maintaining patients' health and improving their quality of life. I treat conditions affecting the kidneys, bladder, ureter, and urethra in both men and women, as well as diseases of the prostate, testicles, and penis in men. My practice requires deep expertise in not only medical management but also surgical interventions, including minimally invasive laparoscopic and robotic surgeries. Common disorders I help patients manage include kidney stones, urinary tract infections, urinary incontinence, prostate enlargement, male infertility, cancers of the urinary tract, as well as sexual dysfunction. It's my job to diagnose these conditions using medical history, physical examination, and specialized tests and imaging. This includes procedures such as cystoscopy, ultrasound, and urodynamic studies. When a disease is detected, I create personalized treatment plans that may involve medications, lifestyle advice, outpatient procedures, or advanced surgeries, always prioritizing what's most appropriate for each individual. Apart from medical and surgical care, I help patients with chronic issues affecting their daily lives, such as difficulty urinating, pelvic pain, and involuntary urine leakage. Urology doctors play a central role in early cancer detection, especially of the bladder, kidneys, prostate, and testicles. Early intervention gives patients the best chance for recovery. For men's health, I address concerns like erectile dysfunction, infertility, and prostate diseases. Just as gynecologists champion women's health, urologists serve as advocates for men's health by screening for chronic diseases that may present as urological symptoms. In pediatric urology, I evaluate and treat children with urology or genital disorders, often working closely with other specialists to ensure holistic care. Collaboration is key. I coordinate with nephrologists, oncologists, gynecologists, and primary care physicians to offer a multidisciplinary solution, especially in complex cases. Preventive education is another critical role. I guide my patients on health habits, hydration, and risk factor modification to reduce the likelihood of future disease. Ultimately, being a doctor is not just about treating illnesses, it's about restoring health, dignity, and confidence. My goal is to combine advanced medical knowledge and technology with compassionate, individualized care. If you or your loved ones have concerns related to urinary or reproductive health, remember, seeking timely advice from a urology specialist can make all the difference. Thank you for letting me share the essential role of urology in healthcare.